Hello everyone, welcome to my Chinese class. And right now is nearly 10:22 here in Taiwan. 大家好，现在在台湾是10点22分，晚上10点22分。And today I'm going to talk about one Chinese grammar rule in HSK Level 4. So let's get started. Okay, so this grammar is in HSK Level 4. Level 4, okay? And it's in lesson 20. Okay, so this grammar is 一 blah 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 就 blah blah blah. Okay, 一 blah 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 就 blah blah blah. Actually, the meaning of the word 就 is like then. Okay, so in English, it's like as soon as, or if situation A happens, then situation B. Okay, if situation A happens, then situation B happens too. Okay, so actually 一 blah blah 就 blah blah is talking about two events happening, one immediately after the other. Okay, 一 blah blah 就 blah blah blah. Grammar in HSK Level 4. So let me give you some example sentences. Okay, I hope you can see my handout clearly. Okay, so the sentence pattern is subject 一 then plus verb 1. Okay, I'll say that again. The sentence pattern of 一 blah blah 就 blah 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 is subject first, then plus 一, then plus verb 2, and then we use 就, which means then. Okay, 就 plus verb 2. If verb A happens, then verb 2. Okay, so that's the way we use it. So let me give you some example sentences. 丽丽一读汉语就想睡. Okay, 丽丽 is the subject, right? Then we use 一, then plus verb 1. Okay, you can see the verb here. 读, okay, 读 read. 读汉语 like study Chinese or learn or read Chinese. And 就 plus verb 2. Okay, 就 plus verb 2. 想睡 verb 2. 想 means like want to, right? 睡 sleep, want to sleep. So 丽丽一读汉语就想睡. What does it mean? Yes. As soon as Lily reads Chinese, then she wants to sleep. As soon as Lily reads Chinese, then she wants to sleep. Okay, so that's the sentence pattern. Let me give you another example sentence. Wait a minute. Okay, the other example sentence is 理查, the subject, right? 理查, the subject. 一, okay, plus 一. Okay, then we plus verb 1, okay? Verb 1. So verb 1 is 看到女生, see ladies or see girls. Okay, this is verb 1. Okay, then we use 就 plus verb 2. Okay, verb 1 is here. 看到女生 verb 1. 就 plus verb 2. Verb 2 is 笑 like smile. Okay, smile. Okay, so read the sentence again. 理查一看到女生就笑. 理查一看到女生就笑. Okay, then the English is, as soon as Richard sees girls, then he smiles. Okay, as soon as Richard sees girls, then he smiles. Okay, 理查一看到女生就笑. Okay, so this is the sentence pattern in Chinese. And this sentence pattern, once again, is in HSK level 4. 一巴拉巴拉就巴拉巴拉, which means as soon as. Okay, as usual, I will give you some quizzes, and hopefully you can answer me and you can comment your answers below. Remember to do more practices and more quizzes. Okay, so the first quiz for you is, okay, so you need to put the numbers in order. Okay, I'll read the sentence and the words for you. Okay, 一 number 1, 一就 2哭 3想到妈妈 45他 Okay, so my friends, my viewers, please think about the sentence pattern and put the numbers in order. I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it, but I read all the words again. 一就 2哭 3想到妈妈 想到妈妈 1 okay 他 okay 5 seconds. Okay, maybe I should explain it in English, right? 就 means then, 哭 to cry, 想到妈妈 like think of mother, think of mother, 一 like as soon as, right? 他 he, okay? 5 seconds. Okay, I'll tell you the answers. First of all, we find out the subject, right? 他 is the subject. So, 他. And then, yes, plus e. And then we plus verb 1, right? So verb 1 should be 想到妈妈, right? 想到妈妈 to think of his mother. Okay? 5 4 3. And then plus 就, which means then, okay? 就 哭 means to cry, okay? It is verb 2, right? 就 plus verb 2. Okay, so the answer is 他一想到妈妈就哭。他一想到妈妈就哭。So the answer is 5 4 3 2. And hopefully you answered it correctly. Okay? Okay, let me give you another quiz. Okay? Another quiz is here. Okay. 李小姐喝咖啡睡不着。Oh, it's not 着 it's 着 sorry. 着 Okay, I read it again. 李小姐喝咖啡睡不着。Okay, please use this sentence pattern. Think about the answers and please comment below. What's the answer? If you need to use 一 bala bala 就 bala bala in this sentence, how to use it? Think about it. Okay, 5 seconds again. 5 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, did you leave your comment? Hopefully you leave your comment. You left your comment, okay? Okay, the answer is 李小姐一喝咖啡就睡不着。Okay, 李小姐 subject 一 plus verb 1 喝咖啡就 plus verb 2 睡不着。Okay, 睡不着。Okay, I read it again. 李小姐一喝咖啡就睡不着。Okay, as soon as Miss Lee drinks coffee, then she can't sleep. Okay, 睡不着，不着 means can't. She can't sleep. And the translation of this one is, as soon as he thinks of his mother, then he cries. Okay? Okay, my friends, so that's the sentence pattern tonight. And hopefully you like this sentence pattern in HSK level 4. And if you like other grammar rules, you can tell me like which level you like, HSK level 1, level 2, or level 3, or even level 5, level 6. I will do that for you. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have a very wonderful night and see you next time. 下次见，拜拜。